Hey everybody, I'm Venus Martinez, and today I have a new video for you guys, and I gonna clean this silver. I'm not 100% sure if it is silver, not 100%, but somebody give it to me and they did tell me it's silver, so I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna clean it. So I went to Chinatown here in Mississauga, and I bought this product. They call, I don't know, I think they made it. I don't know how they made it, but it's a silver cleaner. And what I'm gonna do, I gonna start cleaning a little by little. I'm gonna do a practice, see maybe it works. Yeah, let's go. Let's check it out. This video. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys. So I got the silver. And I think the first thing I'm gonna do is put it a little bit here, right? Hopefully they clean. If it's not silver, yeah, gonna be garbage. If it's not silver, they tell me leave it for a few minutes, so I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it there. It's supposed to change color. I don't know. Okay, guys, after I'm gonna put a little bit of water and wash it, and then I'm gonna clean a little bit. And then I got this one. Not really sure if it's silver. Not really sure. I don't know. They have a lot of lines. I don't know. I cannot tell if it's silver or here is a little bit of different. We're gonna start cleaning everything. And yeah, gonna keep cleaning everything. I'll show you guys the final. Okay, my friends, after I clean everything, put the silver cleaner that I bought in Chinatown. They look pretty nice. I'm not really sure 100% if what I have here is silver, but beautiful. It's a beautiful piece, beautiful. And yeah, they clean a lot. Like they really clean a lot. And yeah, I have to maybe check it out someplace that I can they can tell me if they're real silver or I don't know, but it works. They look pretty clean. Yeah, look at this. This is so dirty. So probably if I keep cleaning, more dirty stuff is coming out. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. Somebody give it to me for free. They told me it's silver. It was so very bad condition, but I just went to get this silver cleaner from Chinatown. They sell it for $10, and yeah, this is what I get. They look pretty clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much.